Hi friends, this is Sumalata Kulkarni. Welcome to Sumanyu'z Food Lab. Today I am going to do a crispy and tasty Sabudana Vada. The ingredients are like this. Now I have taken a 1 cup of Sabudana, wash it twice and soak it in a little water for overnight. Now add a 1 bowl of groundnut seeds powder to it. That I have roasted and powdered it, and a handful of chopped coriander leaves to it. Now add 2 green chilies that I have finely chopped and 1 boiled smashed potato to it, and add a half teaspoon of turmeric powder to it and half teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon of salt to it and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder to it. Now give a good mix with the clean hands. You want to add 1 teaspoon of rice flour also, you can add it. Actually, Sabudana is a gluten-free, promotes strong bones and improves digestion. Now apply 1 teaspoon of oil to your palm and make a small balls of this Sabudana dough and keep it ready for a deep fry. Now take a kadai and put oil for deep frying. Fry it one by one in a medium flame. Flip both the sides of Sabudana Vada and fry it until it turns to a golden brown color. Then keep aside. Now crispy and tasty Sabudana Vada is ready to have with the tea. Thank you for watching.